All right, we got this amazing under the desk walking treadmill. As you can see, very portable, very easy to store. If you want to store this under your bed, it's very easy to move around. Put this under your bed. Doesn't take up very much space. I love that. Also love, very sturdy, much more sturdy than a lot of these walking pads on Amazon. As you can see, it's got enough area to even stand on the sides. And then the grip of the treadmill is actually, it's a very high quality grip, very, very grippy. So I love that. Probably my favorite thing is the incline right here. So I have it set on the incline. If you want to take the incline off, you just pull this up, push that forward, and slide that back in. I want the incline right now. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pull this out again. As I pull this out, this is going to drop, push this back in. We're at an incline. Now, also love, has a watch for the remote. So you don't have to worry about holding it or anything. Press the power button, turns that on. It starts you off at 0.5 miles per hour, just at a very slow walk. But you want to speed it up, you can go all the way up to 4 miles per hour, which is going to be more than enough for most people. As you can see, you'll be able to see in just a second, this is a fast walk. 4 miles per hour is a fast walk. If you're using this for exercise, this is going to be great. If you're going to be using this while you're working on a standing desk, I don't know anyone who could work and do this at 4 miles per hour. So it has more than enough for what you need. Just a great under the desk treadmill, great walking pad. I love it, and I highly recommend it.